Hi, you're with Chandeep at Goodly once again, and let's take a look at the columns function in Excel. This one is a plural with the S in the end. Now the columns function is going to give you the column number but only in the range of cells. So I'm going to pick up the columns function here, and it is asking me for an array. Array could be a single cell or could be multiple cells. So let's just take a look at, let's say I'm just selecting 2 cells here. So from C to D. Now you would note that C and D are 2 columns, and if I close the bracket and press enter, this would give me that in the array that we have selected in the formula, there are 2 columns inside that array, and this would give me number 2, right? So you can have more as well. So equals to columns, and then if I pick up, let's say, even a multi-dimensional array which has multiple rows and multiple columns, and if you would see that I have picked up from G to J, from G to J, now column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. There are 4 columns in this array. If I close the bracket, press enter, this would give me 4. Why? Because there are 4 columns in the array that we have selected. Now let's take a look at one of the applications of the columns function, is that you can use it to generate an array like a serial number here. So let's take a look at how do we do that. I'm just going to write equals to columns once again, and I'm going to pick up the array here. So I'm saying that from C11 to C11, from C11 to C11, this is just 1 column in this array, so this would give me 1. But just to make sure that when I drag the formula to the right hand side, this would give me 2 and then 3 and then 4, I would make sure that I lock the first part here. So C does not move, then this C moves to become D, E, F, and so on and so forth. So right now this gives me 1 because there's just 1 column. If I drag this to the right, this would give me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? If you just take a look at the formula here, somewhere in the center, you would find that since we locked the first part of the array, this was locked, and now the second part of the array has moved till F, and you would have 4 columns now, and this is kind of generating a serial numbers. Thank you so much for watching this, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and you can also read the blogs at goodly.co.in. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.